suspended from Piccadilly Circus through to Elephant and Castle. This is due to emergency engineering work.
This is Piccadilly Circus. Change here. This is a Piccadilly line service to Cockfosters.
Foi muito bom. Foi muito bom.
You go. A bit left over. A bit more. Not doing anymore. You're a killjoy.
Hello everybody, this is Rachel, Olivia's friend, and Olivia got a request to, this is Ronnie, Olivia got a request to burp in public. So currently we're walking through New York City in Columbus Circle, and we're walking to Chipotle, and Olivia is gonna burp at random groups of people and just check out their reactions. Okay, so here we go. Oh, come on. You can't come back. Sorry.
Rachel, are you getting my butt? You don't need to get your butt.
She thinks her butt looks good.
Really? Okay, come on.
It's anatomically correct.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
I'm taking it her.
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me. Do you know where Chipotle is? I have no idea where it is. Okay, Jesus.
No! Okay, here's Chipotle. You gotta open the door and just give a big burp right when you open the door. So everyone inside. Okay, ready?
Wait, did you do that?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Just do it now.
I can't hear you. Video can't hear you.